Are you tired of diets that make you feel like chewing on cardboard is your only option? Or workouts that leave you questioning your life choices? You know, the drill restrictive diets that make you feel deprived, grueling workouts that leave you drained, and the constant feeling that you're missing out on all the good stuff in life. It's like you're always on the outside looking in, watching others enjoy themselves while you stick to your rigid routine. Let's face it, traditional approaches to health and weight loss can be a real drag. They often lead to burnout and frustration, making it hard to stay motivated and committed. But what if I told you there's a more enjoyable and sustainable path to a healthier you? A way that allows you to enjoy your meals and still achieve your health goals? Enter intermittent fasting, the secret weapon for unlocking your body's true potential without the unnecessary sacrifices. It's a lifestyle change that can help you feel more energized, focused, and in control of your health. Forget calorie counting and complicated meal plans. With intermittent fasting, you can say goodbye to the stress of constantly monitoring what you eat. Intermittent fasting is all about timing, not deprivation. It's about finding a rhythm that works for you and your lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy your meals without guilt. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to reset and recharge. This break can lead to numerous health benefits, including improved metabolism, better mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive in and explore how this simple yet powerful lifestyle change can transform your health and well-being. We'll look at the science behind intermittent fasting, the different methods you can try, and tips for making it work for you. Get ready to discover a better way to achieve your health goals and live your best life. Fasting might sound intimidating, conjuring up images of extreme deprivation. You might picture yourself feeling constantly hungry, tired, and irritable. But that's not the case with intermittent fasting. But don't worry, intermittent fasting is far from starving yourself. It's more about when you eat, rather than what you eat. You can still enjoy your favorite foods and meals. It's simply a pattern of eating and fasting cycles that work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. By aligning your eating schedule with your body's internal clock, you can optimize your health and well-being. Think of it like this: you already fast every day, even if you don't realize it. When you sleep, your body is in a fasting state, and this is a natural process that everyone goes through. The period between your last meal of the day and breakfast the next morning is a natural fast. By extending this fasting period, you can give your body more time to repair and rejuvenate. Intermittent fasting simply extends this window, giving your body more time to tap into its fat-burning superpowers. This can lead to improved metabolism, better energy levels, and even weight loss. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own unique approach. You can choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Some popular ones include the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, and eating within an 8-hour window. This method is great for those who prefer a consistent daily routine, and the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. This method allows for more flexibility and can be easier to stick to for some people. No matter which method you choose, it's important to stay hydrated and nourish your body with healthy, balanced meals during your eating windows. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Intermittent fasting isn't just about food. It's also about creating a balanced lifestyle. Incorporate activities that reduce stress and promote relaxation to support your overall well-being. Remember, intermittent fasting is a flexible and adaptable approach to eating. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, so find what works best for you and enjoy the journey towards better health. With intermittent fasting, you can achieve your health goals without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. It's a sustainable and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. So give it a try and see how it fits into your lifestyle. You might be surprised at how easy and beneficial it can be. Happy fasting! So why is everyone making such a fuss about intermittent fasting? Well, the benefits are pretty awesome. Not only can it help you shed those extra pounds, but it also has a whole host of other amazing health perks. Imagine boosting your brain power, feeling more energized, and reducing inflammation throughout your body, all by simply tweaking your eating schedule. Intermittent fasting has been linked to improved cognitive function, increased insulin sensitivity, and even a longer lifespan. It's like giving your body a mini vacation, allowing it to repair and rejuvenate itself from the inside out. And the best part? You're not just losing weight, you're gaining a healthier and happier you. With so many different intermittent fasting methods out there, it's important to find one that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The 16-8 method is a great place to start, as it's relatively simple to incorporate into your daily routine. If you prefer more flexibility, the 5-2 method might be a better fit. Listen to your body and experiment to see what feels most sustainable for you. The key is to find a rhythm that you can stick with long term. Section 5. Ready, Set, Fast, your step-by-step guide. Ready to embark on your intermittent fasting journey? It's an exciting path to better health and well-being. Fantastic! Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose your method. There are several intermittent fasting methods to choose from, such as the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, or the eat-stop-eat approach. Select the intermittent fasting method that best aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Consider your daily routine, work schedule, and social commitments. Second, set realistic expectations. Remember, consistency is key. It's important to understand that results may not be immediate, and that's perfectly okay. Start gradually, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up occasionally. It's a learning process, and every step forward counts. Third, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial, especially during fasting periods. Hydration helps maintain your energy levels and keeps you feeling full. Fourth, break your fast wisely. When it's time to eat, make sure to choose foods that are rich in nutrients and provide sustained energy. Opt for nutritious whole foods when it's time to eat. Think of lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can derail your progress. Lastly, listen to your body. Your body will give you signals about what it needs. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you feel overly fatigued or unwell, it might be a sign to tweak your approach. Remember, intermittent fasting is a flexible tool, and it's important to find what works best for you. Stay patient, stay committed, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Section 6. Fasting frustrations, conquering common challenges. Like any lifestyle change, intermittent fasting can come with its fair share of challenges. But don't worry, we got you covered. Feeling hungry during fasting periods is perfectly normal. Combat those cravings by staying hydrated, drinking herbal tea, or keeping yourself busy. Headaches are another common side effect, often caused by dehydration or caffeine withdrawal. Make sure you're drinking enough water and gradually reduce your caffeine intake. Social situations involving food can also be tricky. Don't be afraid to politely decline food if you're fasting. Remember, your health is your priority. Section 7. Consistency is key. Stay motivated on your fasting journey. Consistency is the name of the game when it comes to reaping the full benefits of intermittent fasting, but staying motivated can be a challenge, especially in the beginning. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your successes along the way. Find a fasting buddy to keep you accountable and share your experiences. And remember, every day is a fresh start. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track and keep going. Section 8. Listen to your body. Fasting safely and effectively. While intermittent fasting is generally safe for most healthy adults, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. If you have any underlying health conditions, such as diabetes or heart disease, fasting may not be appropriate for you. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid fasting, as it can deprive their bodies of essential nutrients. And remember, fasting is not a license to binge eat during your eating windows. Focus on nourishing your body with healthy, balanced meals. Section 9. Join the fasting fam. Share your journey. Intermittent fasting is more than just a health trend. It's a lifestyle that can transform your relationship with food and your body. Ready to unlock your full potential and experience the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting? Share your goals, challenges, and triumphs with the community. Let's support and inspire each other on this exciting journey towards a healthier and happier us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks, and see you in the next video.